Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you 3 simple and inexpensive fall DIYs that I made using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Interested? Then just keep watching. Here are the items that I used for my first project. So the first thing I did was paint my gift box with my gold metallic spray paint. Next, I'm using a small amount of hot glue to cover my box with this pretty metallic gold leaf ribbon that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Because the ribbon is transparent, it was very important that I use as little hot glue as possible. Next, I used a generous amount of hot glue to add the floral foam to the bottom of my box. I then began adding my flowers. To add just a touch of sparkle to my floral arrangement, I used hot glue to attach some of these Dollar Tree gemstone stickers to the center of some of my flowers. Here are the items that I picked up for my next project. For this project, I wanted to make some taller fall pillar candles. So to do so, I'm using a generous amount of hot glue to stack several of the small pillar candles that they sell at the Dollar Tree together. Because hot glue will not hold these candles together permanently, I'm also adding some clear tape around the candles to hold them in place. These pillar candles can be decorated many ways for fall, including using the same fall ribbon that I used for my first project, but I decided to keep it super simple, so I'm simply adding a row of this fall self-adhesive diamond wrap to the center of my candle. Not only is the clear tape helping to hold my candles together, but it's also easier for me to attach the diamond wrap to the tape as opposed to directly to the candle. I followed those same steps to decorate my two remaining candles. I'm pairing my fall candles with these really pretty metallic gold candle holders that I picked up from Dollar Tree several months back. Here are the items that I picked up for project number 3. With this project, I'm replacing my spring wreath with one for fall. I decided to use the same wreath form, so my first step was to remove the old spring flowers from my wreath. Next, I used hot glue to attach and then wrap my burlap ribbon around my wreath form. Next, I began adding my flowers. To attach my flowers, I'm simply adding some hot glue to the holes of the burlap ribbon. I'm then simply pushing the stem of the flower into that same hole. These Dollar Tree hydrangeas were a perfect choice for this wreath. Here I've only used 4 bunches of those flowers and my wreath is already very full. To enhance my design, I'm adding a 5th bunch of these burlap hydrangeas as well as some of those same gemstone stickers. To complete the project, I added burlap and my welcome sign to the center of my wreath, and here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.